In today's video, I'll show you how to manage team access in ElevenLabs so you can control who can view, edit, and work on your voice projects. If you're working with a team, managing access properly is important to keep your projects organized and secure while still allowing smooth collaboration. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the Workspace or Settings section from your dashboard. This is where team and account controls are usually located. Next, look for the Team or Members section. Here you'll see a list of people who already have access to your workspace. To add a new team member, click the Invite option and enter their email address. Once you send the invitation, they'll receive a link to join your workspace. After they accept the invite, you can assign them a role. Different roles usually control what they can do, such as viewing projects, editing content, or managing settings. Take a moment to choose permissions carefully. For example, editors can work on projects directly, while viewers may only be able to review and comment. If someone no longer needs access, you can remove them from the team at any time from the same section. It's also a good idea to regularly review your team list to make sure only the right people still have access to your workspace. Proper access management helps you avoid confusion and keeps your workflow clean, especially when multiple people are working on voice content at the same time. And that's how you manage team access in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.